Hello student, welcome to Shorus's classes. So the next question you can see, the liberalization of the Indian banking and regulation was done based on the recommendation of what? Four options are there, you can see. So the right answer is option B, Narasiham Committee, because the Narasiham Committee was established from RBI Governor in August 1991 into all aspects of the financial system in India. The report of this committee has comprehensively recommended for financial sectors reforms including the Indian banking sector and the capital market. So the right answer is option B. Going to our next question. It's a very important question, student, please be concentrate. In this, which year was the Bank of Maharashtra established? 4 years are there. You can choose any one. The right answer is option B, 1935, because the BOM, Bank of Maharashtra, is the short form of BOM, established in 1935, and the Bank of Maharashtra is a major public sector in India. The government of India holds 81.61% of the total amount, and it is the largest network of the branches of any public sector bank in the state of Maharashtra. So it's a option B is the right answers. Going to our next question. The next question is the first Indian RRB that achieved core banking solution CBCS in 2011. 4 options are there. The right answer is option B, Rukshakulla Grama Bank, RGB, Rukshakulla Grama Bank, operating in the South Odisha. The first RRB in the state bank placed in the all branches on the Core Bank of Solution platform in 2012. The Ruksha Grama Bank and the Uktal Grama Bank, which is UGB, will function with its head office of the Bolagir under the sponsor of the State Bank of India. So the right answer is option B. Hope it will be helpful for your examination. Thank you, students.